Hi, I'm Ashley Hards and I'm here today at Rockschool HQ to talk to you about the string names on the ukulele and how you can tune your ukulele. When we're talking about strings on the ukulele, we can give them numbers. The string nearest the ground is string number 1, and then as we work up towards my head, we can go 1, 2, 3, and finally string 4. Something that's really interesting about the ukulele is that these strings don't start low and gradually get higher. In fact, we start with a high note and then the notes get lower and work back up again, as we can hear. So for string number 4, 3, 2, and 1. As well as numbers, these strings also have names. So string number 4 is a G. String number 3 is C. Now, on the piano we call this note middle C. String number 2 is an E, just up from middle C. And then finally, string number 1, our highest string, is an A. After you've been playing ukulele a while, you'll find that you'll be able to tune the ukulele just by using your ears. You can listen to somebody else's instrument and tune along with that. But when you first start playing, it's much easier to use an electronic tuner because this does the hard work for you. You could either buy yourself an electronic tuner that you can clip on the end of your ukulele, like this one I have here on the headstock, or you could download a free tuning app. There are many to choose from, and then you can use your smartphone to tune your ukulele. Let's check that string number 3 is in tune. The tuner tells me that I'm playing a C, which is right, but it's telling me the string is too low, so I need to use the tuning peg here to gradually and carefully tune the string up until the tuner tells me it's perfectly in tune. The tuner tells me now that the string is just right, so I'm now ready to play.